Today, we're diving into the features of the Sekey 220L Collapsible Foldable Wagon, a heavy-duty utility cart designed to make your outdoor adventures a breeze. With an impressive weight capacity of 330 pounds, this wagon boasts an extra-large storage space measuring 36.2 inches in length, 22.4 inches in width, and 14.2 inches in height, offering double the capacity of most other wagons. Its standout feature is the 7-inch diameter all-terrain wheels, ensuring smooth movement whether you're fishing, camping, shopping, or gardening. The wagon is crafted from durable 600D Oxford fabric, which is waterproof and resistant to tears, even when carrying sharp objects. When not in use, it folds down to a compact size, smaller than any other cart on the market, and comes with a convenient carry-on bag for easy storage. Best of all, there's no assembly required, and it sets up in seconds, making it a perfect companion for your on-the-go lifestyle. Plus, Sekey offers a 1-year warranty for peace of mind, ensuring you can enjoy your wagon worry-free. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.